Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Now, we're gonna go into another element that I explained to you before, but this time the element we're gonna take is the twist, okay? That's what we're gonna play with. Again, with the same step, cross step, but we're gonna play with the twist. Let me show you how we're gonna do this, okay? So, cross step again. Remember when I said to you twisting, this is what I was talking about when I was talking about twist. We're gonna do the same step, cross step, but we're gonna add the twist right here, okay? So you're gonna go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2. So you see the way my leg twists on the last movement, okay? So the twist is 1 and 2, twist, twist and 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 boom, okay? And this is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about twisting, okay? That's the little twist. The essence of the move stays the same, okay? We're still doing the cross step, stays the same, but then we're adding a twist on the move, okay? Which makes it look a bit different, okay? I hope you're starting to understand the concept a bit more now. I hope you understand where we're going with this, all right? So I'm gonna show you first, and then it's gonna be your turn, all right? Let's go.
Music.